If you are broke right now and you are thinking of what business, or you don't have enough capital and you are thinking of what business can I start today that I will be able to make a lot of profit, a lot of income from it, so I will say that this video is for you. Don't skip this video because I'm going to share with you a lot of businesses idea that you can do with or without money, that you can start with it with a little money or no capital at all, and you will make a lot of sales, a lot of massive income from this business. So the number one on my list is liquid soap business. That is detergent soap. So the good thing about this liquid soap business is that people use soap every day by day, both in washing of their clothes, washing of plates, and mopping of house. You can use liquid soap to do so. So you can see that this is a very lucrative business that if you venture into it, you are going to make a lot of sales every day. As far as you sample your business very well, you know how to market your business very well, both online and offline. People are going to buy from you. Just have to, from there you can make a air freshener, disinfectant soap, and many things from there, and people will buy from you. Just have to, don't, if you want to start any business, you don't have to be shy. If you want to do business and make a lot of sales, you don't have to be shy. You have to know how to talk to people, interact with people, go places, show your what you are selling, both online and offline. And to tell you the real fact, if you follow this strategy, you are going to make a lot of sales on your business. So the number two on my list is frozen business. That is, you can do under frozen, we have under that fish, turkey, and chicken. That is what you can do under that frozen business. So if you want to see the last one on my list that is generating people a lot of income every day by day, stay and watch this video to the end, because I'm going to list that one on the last video in today's session. So that is the number two, frozen business. This business, people are eating every day by day, and you cannot cook your stew or whatsoever without adding fish or chicken on it to make it taste so good and delicious. So getting customers every day by day, you do it near schools and office. So that is the number three. I hope it's number three that we are into now. So that is number three on my list. So number four is shawarma, or just open a small shop store that you can do. Under that, you can do, if you know how to do shawarma very well, buns, puff puff, and so many things, or small, you package a small food. If you know how to cook very well, you can do this one also. Under that, the shawarma stuff, you can do this cooking of food and sell to people. And the good thing about this that is people eat every day by day. Even if you do not have money, you must eat. You must find a way to eat. So this business is a business that people are, you will sell. That one is for sure that you are going to get customer every day by day. You just have to position it, know the place you are putting your shop in. Let it be in a roadside, that is okay, so that you'll be getting a lot of customers every day by day, and know how to do the shawarma very well, and food and other small orishi that you are doing under that shawarma business, and you will make a lot of sales very well. So the number five on my list is jewelry business. You can do you can sell jewelry, necklace, earring, like my own. I'm not wearing a necklace today. You can sell under that jewelry business, necklace, earring, and hand band, that is hand chain, and you will sell very well. And this one is a lightweight business. It's not a stressful business, and you can also do it. You can show your product online. I see a lot of people doing this kind of business, and they are advertising their business on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram. If you know how to package your own very well, People are going to buy from you. And if you want to do this business, make sure you are buying quality, beautiful and nice earrings and necklace, and you're going to make a lot of sales. So that is it. You're going to make a lot of sales every day